Lights, camera, action!
First thing you need to do is go to Google Chrome and then type facebook.com and click enter. Click your profile logo, and after that scroll down to the post you want to mention all your friends. You have to click comments. And then click the comment button. Also, click the mention friends in this comment. And there you go. You can now choose your friends you want to be mentioned in your post. You can click show more button to show more list of your friends. And once you've done, you can now click the done button and then click the comment button, and there, as you can see, already mentioned all my friends in Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and comment down below if you learned something in this video. And also click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified if I have a new video. Thank you. Have a great life.
Caught in the crossfire.